Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video, and in this video I will go over how to make money with VVS Finance, how to stake VVS Finance. So a few days ago I received an email from crypto.com that they introduced the following. So as you can see, this is the email, and it says earn up to 3% per year on VVS Finance, which is backed by crypto.com. And let me show you what the email says. We're pleased to announce that we've added VVS Finance to Crypto Earn, and you can now get up to 3% per year interest on your VVS deposits. And yeah, that's good news, of course, for VVS holders. And I'm going to show you how to do this, and yeah, how you're able to make 3% interest on your VVS deposits. So the best way to do this is to sign up for crypto.com. I will leave a link in the description below, and you will get $25 if you sign up with that link. And I mainly use the app. Yeah, now I'm going to switch to the crypto.com app. Alright, so now I am in the app, and this is the first thing that you will see if you sign up. Of course, after all the security checks, etc., and then once everything is done, then this is what you will see. So first of all, you click on the logo down below, on the crypto.com logo, and then you go to earn under finance, and then you can see over here that the VVS Finance is 3% per year, and this is based on the Jade Indigo or above, and this is for 3 months. Let me see what it will be for the flexible term. It's 1%, monthly it's 2%, and let me click on Ruby or below. So this is a lower card. So if you're using the Ruby card or below, then you will earn 2% for 3 months, and 1 month it will be 1%, flexible it will be 0.5%. So then you click on start earning now. Next you click on VVS Finance, and then you click on which one you would like to use, the flexible one, the 1 month term, or the 3 month term. So let's say I click on a 3 month term, click on continue, then I tick the boxes, click on continue. Then over here you see how much VVS you have, and as you can see, that is insufficient because we at least need 3 million. So if you have more than 3 million, then you click on deposit, and once that's done you will get a confirmation. And then we go back, we go to accounts down below, and then you will see crypto earn, and there is an amount of money that you have deposited, and also how much you have gained. So that is basically how to earn money, how to stake your VVS using crypto.com, and it's an easy way to make some extra money. It's not a lot, of course, it depends on how much money, how much VVS coins you have, but it's quite passive, of course. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also sign up for crypto.com to buy VVS coins or 100 other coins. I see you in the next one.